Colorixor AI has just been released, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this new AI software that could potentially transform the way you handle your digital projects. If you're new to Colorixor, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works, what makes it stand out, and whether it's right for you. And if you're interested, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link below. One of the first things you'll notice about Colorixor is its ease of use. Unlike other AI tools that require steep learning curves, Colorixor simplifies things. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or any industry that deals with large amounts of data, Colorixor makes processes like data analysis, content generation, and even customer segmentation a breeze. What makes Colorixor AI different from other software is its unique approach to color prediction and design automation. This software can automatically generate custom color palettes based on your input or preferences, something that can save you hours of manual work if you're a designer or content creator. But it's not just about color selection. Colorixor offers integration with tools like Adobe and Canva, streamlining workflows for designers and marketers alike. Another key feature is the advanced AI-powered analytics. If you're someone who deals with marketing campaigns, you'll appreciate how Colorixor can predict which color schemes will work best for specific target audiences, allowing you to optimize your campaigns for better engagement. This predictive ability is a game changer when it comes to making design decisions that resonate with your audience. In terms of automation, Colorixor AI takes things up a notch by automating repetitive design tasks. This could be as simple as resizing images for different platforms or generating new assets based on templates. This kind of automation is invaluable for anyone who's looking to scale their digital marketing efforts without burning out. A great feature for marketers is Colorixor's integration with social media platforms. You can directly use AI to optimize visual content for Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms by generating dynamic visuals that align with trending topics and popular aesthetics, automatically improving your content's chances of going viral. Colorixor AI isn't just for design. Its ability to analyze color psychology and apply that data to marketing strategies is another huge advantage. For example, it can suggest specific cues for your website's call to action buttons, potentially increasing conversion rates based on color trends and psychological studies. This level of data-driven insight is what sets Colorixor apart from other basic AI tools. Lastly, Colorixor's pricing model is highly competitive, especially considering the features and potential it offers. While many AI tools can be costly, Colorixor offers a tiered structure that makes it accessible to businesses of all sizes, including free trials for users to test out its capabilities before making a financial commitment. As someone who's tried thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say Colorixor stands out for its design capabilities, ease of use, and powerful integrations. If you're ready to give it a try, you can start using Colorixor completely free through the first link below. And before you go, be sure to check the description for some of my recommended AI software tools that I've personally tested and found to be game changers in digital marketing. If you're serious about streamlining your workflows and making smarter design and marketing decisions, you won't want to miss them.